Okay, guys, this is an Olympiad math question. So it's very simple actually. We are looking for the value of x, right? So what we're going to do, we are going to break it down. So if we are breaking it down, this is x plus 4 raised to the power of x, which is equals to. So we break this down to a smaller. So if we break this down, it will give us 6 over 2, right? Because 6 raised to power 2 will give us 36. So we bring this down again, x plus 4 raised to power x, which is equals to, we are breaking this down again, which is 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 will give us 6. Then we put our square here, right? Now, we have this and this as similar, and we have this as our final answer. X, which is equals to what? 2. And this is the answer to the question. Very simple and short.